Hey and welcome. This is Charmaine Farber with the Principled Innovation Team at MLFTC Arizona State University. I want to show you how to use a tool called Mural for your teams or your classrooms. Mural is like a room with sticky notes. You can move the sticky notes around in real time with a group of remote people. One of the things that I really appreciate about Mural is that they have a lot of wonderful templates to empathize, to plan, brainstorm, design, and evaluate. Mural is free for anybody in a teaching setting. Sign up for free and then transfer your account to an academic version. Let's go ahead and pop into a mural to be able to explore what it is. So imagine that this is a large wall, and sometimes you move closer to the wall and sometimes you move further away from the wall. This area right here in the lower right of your screen is really important in terms of navigating, and I find that this is the thing that confuses people the most. So the hand you can use to navigate by clicking and holding. Your space bar will also invoke the hand so that you can move this around, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. On a Mac, you can set the trackpad mode so that you can pinch in and pinch out to zoom in and to zoom out. On a PC, you can use your mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and you can move your two fingers up or down on your trackpad to simulate this mouse movement. Notice the toolbar on the left. There are a ton of tools here. One of them is text or sticky notes. So you can do a text box without a background, or you can drag and drop a sticky note. Also, if you're just on the mural, you can double click and sticky notes will appear. And you'll notice that you can choose font size, you can choose the background color, and you can even switch it to be more of a sticky note size that you were hoping for. We have shapes and connectors, icons. This is a lot of fun because what you can do is you can type in an icon that you might want and then find it, drag and drop the icon. You can change the color of the icon right there. There's lots of frameworks that you can choose, so even if you don't choose a template, these frameworks allow you to drag and drop pre-made template right onto your mural. You can drag and drop any photo from your desktop or search here and drag and drop a photo. You can also say something like cat and bag GIF, and this will show you animated GIFs, and sometimes it doesn't show the animation in the selector, but once you put it into your mural, you can see the animation, especially when you roll over it. One of the things to consider is that you can add movies and other sorts of images. This right here is a movie that I added just by putting in the URL to a YouTube video. And then of course you can draw. The drawing tools are a little bit difficult to use, I think, because when you're drawing over here, you actually have to select options up top. Let's just say I want to draw in a couple of different spots at one time. I have to hit done drawing to select it, and then these drawings are actually connected, and that's a part that I think is a little bit tough because people sometimes want to just have one drawing at a time. And with anything you add, you can just go ahead and click on it and delete it. You can also shift click to select several things, or even draw a big box with your arrow tool so that you can select a couple of things at one time. I didn't want to select all of those, so. And what we can do now is also invite other people to use this with us. This is really important. You can enter in someone's email or give them an anonymous link during a meeting. Just make sure that they can have the editing functions that you would want them to have. And you copy this link, hit done, and then put this in your Zoom chat or in an email, and then anybody with that link can log in, and it's really fast and easy for them to start using Mural. Thanks so much for joining me for this quick demonstration.